Elements of nature. What is this called? Air. What is this called? Water. What is this called? Soil. What is this called? Fire. What is this called? Sky. What is this called? A sun. What is this called? Moon. What is this called? The star. What is this called? Darkness. What is this called? Light. Elements of landforms. What is this called? Mountain. What is this called? Hill. What is this called? Valley. What is this called? Forest. What is this called? Desert. What is this called? Plain. What is this called? River. What is this called? Lake. What is this called? Ocean. What is this called? Island. Weather and climate. What is this called? Rain. What is this called? Snow. What is this called? Storm. What is this called? Thunder. What is this called? Lightning. What is this called? Cloud. What is this called? Fog. What is this called? Humidity. What is this called? Temperature.